Hello mga kabida, welcome in Davao City. Dito tayo ngayon sa may Japanese tunnel.
Tunnel, by the way, is just not a tunnel, but it's a part of our history. But we are not put in the book kasi private kami now. So, that's why when we recognize the tourism, take natin the pictures na lang tayo. Yes, 150 meters, but before it's 7 kilometers. Do you take pictures here? Oh, so video. Yeah, Asian is a women. So this tunnel, it's man-made. The one who dug is Filipino, the POW, the prisoners of war, with the supervision of Japanese. Because they used as their military base and bunker before. That's why they built a tunnel for the Japanese. And Filipino is the forced labor. And after how many years, during pandemic, we closed the management, so they stayed here, the birds. When we opened, they're still here, so it's additional attraction. Just keep us inside. There's a meeting room and also the prayer because they found gold bars here. The one who put the gold is the Japanese. Only replica mama kasi if we put the real one, will be the first one to get.
Yeah.
Replica. Which already come. There's a way going out, but you already close. Somebody owns them. It's just like a 12 inch, you put the bigger one. And they have also the well that they use for drinking. That's why they can breathe because there's a water in here. Picture again.
Hindi na. Let's take a video of Buddha prayer room.
The Buddha, yes. We found it. Goes down there and automatically we have the pump so that it can be done. Cage. Imagine that 5 to 6 people in there. You wanna go inside?
No.
No. There are two kinds of water inside, the spring and also the filter is coming from the back of the mountain because of the rain and then drippings like that. Picture me dito mo.
Hindi na. Ano ba tawag mo ito? Pero bakit hindi siya government owned?
Hindi, private
Ah, kaya pala.
pumasok yung government, amusement tax mo sa kanila. Pero na-recognize naman sila sa tourism. Every now and then, no?
Oh, pero
There's a way going out there. It's a continuous of the tunnel, but then it's different owner of the land. That's why we have to close it here. And the stability of the other side is not safe kasi ma'am. This one is the staff room. You know, there's a lot of weapons that they put in here. That's one in the storage. This is internal. So then, this one,
bakit daw?
different owner and also is not safe. The stability.
Ah, okay.
Oh, there's a lot of money. In some cases, they throw money making wishes.